Today's outbound sales model is broken. Reps lose 67% of their week to prospecting. Generic outreach yields sub 1% reply rates. And purchase contact data is often 6 months stale. Enter LeadFuel, an AI powered outbound intelligence engine. LeadFuel detects live business signals, identifies the right prospects, drafts hyper personalized emails, and automates your sequences. We deliver real replies, not just another database dump. Let's dive into a quick demo. You can request access and log in directly at leadfuel.sweatem.com. LeadFuel dashboard offers a high-level view of your core metrics. Contacts, accounts, active searches, and emails drafted alongside flexible options to integrate your own CRM or use ours. Ready to prospect? Head straight to the discovery section to launch your first project. Here I am trying to find prospective law firm collaboration opportunities for the company Willwise. Let's call this project Law Firm 2. Here you can either choose a ready to run play or type your own. I have typed my own Find Me law firms specializing in estate planning and family law. Set your parameters for search volume and strictness. Here, I'm using broad for faster processing. Once you click search, the system pulls your target results. If the initial list is too short, simply click to generate more. Each result includes specific match signals and reference links, providing the context you need for both hyper personalized outreach and discovery calls. Once you're ready, simply ask LeadFuel to generate an email. We built LeadFuel on a human in the loop principle, ensuring your outreach is always validated with a human touch before it's sent. You can see this draft email is contextualized to the prospect's current business priorities. The email will be sent using the reply email you set up during onboarding, which I'll cover shortly. The LeadFuel CRM offers intuitive filtering across both contacts and accounts, empowering you to instantly sort your pipeline by company, email status, project involvement, and contact volume. The Settings tab controls your onboarding flow. Access is managed through workspaces. You can join an existing one, or as I'm doing here, quickly create a new workspace to get started. Onboarding is effortless. Just enter your company URL, in this case, willwise.com, and LeadFuel's AI analyzes your site to generate an ideal customer profile. It automatically identifies your product, target audience, company size, and industry. You maintain full control to verify or refine these outputs, reinforcing our human in the loop approach to data. Next, configure your reply inbox. All outreach is sent from your account, and prospect replies go directly to your existing inbox. We never intercept your conversations. Once your workspace is live, you can easily scale by adding team members, adjusting your ICP, or updating your inbox preferences in the settings. Stop chasing leads and start connecting with them. Discover the power of live outbound intelligence at leadfuel.sweatem.com. Join us today.